You revoked the SMS spies in the last video, but here's the problem. That wasn't enough. There are two other permissions on your Android that hand a thief your entire banking app, and they don't show up on that SMS list at all. One lets an app secretly see everything on your screen. The other lets it fake a screen right on top of your real bank app. Let me show you how to find both. And don't worry, this one is step by step, so pause me anytime. I'm not going anywhere. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Let's start with the first one, the permission that lets an app watch your screen. Go to your settings. Take your time getting there. Once you're in, scroll down slowly and look for Accessibility. See it? Good. Tap on it. Now, on this screen, look for Installed Apps and tap that. Give it a second to load. This is the list of every app you've allowed to read your screen and control your phone for you. Now, here's the truth. Almost nothing on your phone has a real reason to be here. A screen reader for the blind? Yes. A password manager? Maybe. But a game? A photo editor? A flashlight? No. So look down this list carefully. Tap any app you don't fully recognize. When its screen opens, turn the switch off. That app can no longer watch what you do. Take your time and clear every one that shouldn't be there. Now, the second permission, and this is the dangerous one. But first, we need to get back to the main menu. So tap the back arrow at the bottom. Tap it again. Keep going until you're all the way back on the main settings screen, the very first one. Good, you're home. Now, from here, scroll down slowly and look for Apps. See it? Tap on it. Now look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. Tap those three dots. A little menu opens. Tap Special Access. Give it a second. Now scroll down and find Appear on Top and tap it. This is the list of apps allowed to draw over your other apps. And this is exactly how a fake login screen gets painted on top of your real bank app. You type your password into the attacker's screen, not your bank's. So go down this list. Any app you don't recognize or trust, tap it and turn it off. Lock every one of them out. Here's the rule that protects you forever. Only 3 kinds of apps ever have a real reason for these two permissions: a launcher, a screen reader, or a password manager. Everything else? No reason at all. If you don't recognize it, turn it off. You can always turn it back on later. That's it. Lock the screen readers. Kill the fake overlays. 2 permissions? Done. Drop a comment. Did you find any apps hiding in there that shouldn't be? I want to know. And if you haven't seen it yet, those 2 permissions are only half the story. There are 2 pre-installed apps on your phone right now reading the texts your bank sends you. I break down exactly which ones in this next video. Click it right now. I'll see you in that video.